Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing how I made these delicious cookies looking so lovely, so yummy. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and click also the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Anytime I post new video, you will get the alert. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share to your friends, invite a friend to this channel. Let's start. You need 100 grams of brown sugar, 190 grams of flour, 1 egg. You need butter, 115 grams, half tablespoon of vanilla flavor, and half teaspoon of baking soda. Cream your butter a bit before you add your brown sugar. Do you want to know how I prepared this my brown sugar? This is homemade brown sugar. I will post it in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to be getting a lot of my new videos. Cream a little and you add your egg. Add half teaspoon of baking soda. Add your vanilla flavor, half tablespoon. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add your flour bit by bit as you mix. Make sure to sieve your flour and baking soda. Take your time to mix very well till everything is combined. Now add your chocolate chips. You can add as many as you desire. Spread out a baking paper on your baking tray and you mold little. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to invite a friend to this channel. Feel free to ask questions. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. When the sides are turning brown, you know that the cookies are ready. Wow, 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 our cookies are ready. Looking so beautiful, so delicious. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you not miss our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to ask questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Our cookies are ready. Looking so beautiful, yummy, so sweet, so crunchy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.